let me down again.
What's up, guys, and welcome back or to the channel. As I can see, a lot of you are enjoying this little Chevy restoration project here. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ryan, and we will be restoring this old rusty Chevy to a almost show quality vehicle. So if you haven't been here before, please consider subscribing and joining the process on this truck. Where we're at today, obviously you guys know everything is still super rusty, but we took the bed off and it is time to get this frame all sanded down and ready for paint and our rust encapsulator from Eastwood and with our Contour SET and all of that. And then we're gonna shoot it with the 2K gloss black frame paint and get us all set up to do cab corners and paint on this truck. So the first process in this is finding the right equipment to do so. So the guys over at Eastwood hooked us up with a Contour SET. We have an abrasive flap sanding drum. That's for, as you can see right here, specifically set for paint removal. Here is the Contour SET steel wire drum. This thing is aggressive, abrasive, and all, and it's gonna remove all rust and scale from this frame. So we're gonna dig into that right now so we can get this all prepped and ready for paint. I was looking for something to open this. Can't say that enough of how well packaging influences product use, for sure. As you can see, it comes with a installed wheel. I'm gonna see what the exact use for this is for, but it's kind of like a softer material. I would think this is for almost like paint finishing or something. It's pretty soft. Okay, what's on there, just in the instructions, is a 120 grit non-woven nylon drum. I kind of want to say that's also for paint. I'm gonna check that out. We can find that out on the website, but I'm gonna swap that out and put our steel wire grinding drum on there, and we're gonna go to town. And all we gotta do is swap out our drum here. It's a left-handed thread. Oh, that is beyond easy. Wow, look at that. And then just tighten this back up. So we're gonna hop to it real quick here. One thing I'm probably gonna want and not to regret is face protection. Yep, it's a little dusty and covered in stuff, but really don't wanna mess with your eyes on this one. It's gonna be throwing stuff everywhere. So we're all set up. I'm gonna move our boxes and parts out of the way here. And let's get to it. Okay, it's taking me about 3 seconds to realize that not only is this gonna make light work of the situation, but also it's gonna be dusty, so I'm gonna get a respirator on because I don't want to deal with any of that, really. Alright guys, I'm definitely talking through my mask here, but as you can see, the frame is already in such better shape. The problem here is this Chevy crazy undercoating that they put on from the factory is actually pretty tough, but at the same time, not tough at all. So what we're dealing with is
flaky in some spots and tough, hard, and difficult to remove in others. So pretty much we have a smooth frame with undercoating we can't get off. We also have like bare smooth metal in some places. Pretty much the outside of our frame is looking darn good. What's going to be hard is, as you can see here, this stuff just does not want to come off. Cross members and stuff like that. It is just caked on pretty hard. I still got my mask on because it's quite dusty in here, so I apologize if you can't hear me. Other than that, you can see it does a pretty darn good job of removing rust. I still think I want to take this off and go get this hitch sandblasted and have like an awesome kind of like setup here. You can see how well this works, but you see here's a spot. It just does not come off. Does look a million times better already, and it's going to look freaking darn good with that paint. It takes time, but we're definitely going to get there. This is going to be awesome. I'm so excited for how this is going to look. Oh, this is going to be awesome, guys.
Okay, guys, so what I have found, honestly, I will try it with this hammer, but I've been using that little putty knife, and what you can do is just kind of like chip and scrape all the chunky stuff away. As you can see, it's like, it takes some effort. So we're going to be doing that on the frame. If I can use this hammer on the ball peen side and get some of it off too. We're going to work on that, getting that stuff off. In here, we're going to do our best there and here. I wonder if I can. Oh, that makes life so easy. Makes it so easy. So this I'm happy with, because this is just like frame with like, just like the normal steel. There's nothing really there to come off. But this, yeah, not happy with like this down here. So we're gonna try and get these parts of the frame, all the flaky stuff off, and then I'm gonna use the wire drum again and kind of get it smooth like this. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of fun, beating the crap out of this truck with a hammer. Also, yes, peep the beanie. These will be on the website soon. Honestly, the next few days, it should go live, so stay tuned. But yeah, these are super like warm. I'm actually like warm. Yesterday it was freezing, but today we're doing great. But yeah, beating the crap out of this thing with a hammer is quite fun. Just see, it's like the easiest rust removal ever. Everything's just coming off itself. Cross member. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why Chevy does that with their undercoating, their factory undercoating. That greasy, oily, whatever thing they put on the frame. Every single truck that I see comes in, or used to come in the shop I used to work at, or even like this, it does nothing but make a mess and just causes water and stuff to get stuck behind it and just rust. I don't understand. If you just have a normal frame like my Ram, keep up with it with surface like sanding and paint, you'll be like A-OK forever. This is a pain. Like, I don't understand why they did this. But this side of the frame looks darn good. Pretty darn clean down here. flakes really off of it the best I can. I'm gonna take the wire drum, like I said, and go over everything again. But we're just trying to pick away at the last of the flaky stuff. Pretty much we have this cross member and then the other side, but my point is with this process is that you could take something super in bad condition and get it right. Honestly, this is gonna look fantastic when we're done. Right now it looks so rusty, but with all the flake and everything off the frame, when painted, it's gonna get hit with the rust encapsulator from Eastwood, and then the top coat is going to be a gloss black 2K paint, frame paint from Eastwood as well, and it's just going to look so darn spectacular. You won't even like know that this truck was in this bad of a condition prior. Oh, it's going to be unreal. I can't wait to get the paint down. Oh, it's going to be awesome. I'm so excited. So while I'm at this, I truly appreciate all of the comments I get from anybody with this year model style truck. All the tips, tricks, little things people tell me, show me, stuff like that. I do appreciate it. I do read them in the comments. And I do thank you guys. Stuff that everyone's like, oh, fuel pump, get a new one, replace it. I'm going to look into that tonight, try and get one ordered, see what I can do, see how people replace it, because I know that a big thing is like these don't come out or something. I'll have to ask my buddy Mike how he did his, because I know, and I remember he did his on his truck when he had a truck like this. Everything really, just little things. I know this brake line was clearly replaced because it rusted out and through here. So that's awesome, that's done. The rest of it seems to be in pretty good condition. Like I said, we got the frame pretty darn clean. We got Katie over there, she's detailing her truck. There's gonna be a video on her channel about that, so if you guys haven't followed her yet, go check out her channel. She's just doing videos of everything that she does between fitness and trucks and stuff like that. She's gonna have it all. I'm gonna back it out now, blow all the like rust and dust off, and then get this garage clean, my plastic down, and pull the truck back in because we're gonna be painting it tomorrow. You can see here this like plate kinda rusted through. It's still like sturdy, but it rusted through and is like weak in some spots. So I'm gonna see what I can do. If I can make a new one or whatever, I'll try that too. So we'll see. There's just like so much like dust from all the rust in here. Ugh, I actually miss like driving this thing. I love this truck. Okay, so I started tackling the rust that was in here, just a little bit, brushing it off, but we have quite the mess, so I'm gonna sweep most of the chunky stuff up and then blow it clean so I can get the plastic down. Katie's doing a detailing video on her truck. She's actually, I bought a like extractor and she's using it on her seat, so I'm excited to see how that works. I'm it's dark. I'm probably gonna detail the Hellcat soon, just because it's so dirty inside, and I just want to get it clean, get the carpet clean. So that's kind of what the extractor's for. Clean the carpets, all that stuff, just get it right. The consensus is that everyone wants me to do a flatbed on the Chevy. The more and more I think about it, do I want to? Yes. Do I have all the tooling to like cut the steel beams and do everything? Not exactly. And we're like, get the steel, weld the steel, do that, the diamond plate. I'm sitting here like, ooh, mentally, I don't know. Would it be awesome? Like, I'm looking at it right now with like the bed off in the street, and a little flatbed would be neat. Oh, it looks so like sad right now over here in the dark. Tomorrow I will be painting this. If anyone can actually help me with this. So the fuel tank here, the strap is just like not connected, and I can't get it connected. I don't know if this is a bigger fuel tank or something that doesn't belong on here. I don't know, because that fuel strap down there just does not connect. No matter what I do, I cannot get that front fuel strap connected. It's not rusted through or nothing. It just doesn't like push up far enough, the gas tank, to like hook in. So if anyone's got any advice on that, let me know, because I just can't get that really connected. Honestly, gonna look into lift kits and stuff like soon, because with the bed off, I would just rather lift it like with the bed off and get all that done too. But also, oil pan gasket is like leaking. I mean, there's like oil dripping. It's not like dripping, like seeping and like pouring out. It's just dripping. So once I get the front diff out, when I lift it, it's probably the easiest way to do that oil pan gasket. So I'll probably do that then. That's what I was thinking. If anyone has done that before, let me know. But yeah, I'd rather just do the oil pan gasket like that. It's just dripping a little bit. I'm assuming that's what it is, but I'll have to get that done as well. If you guys have not been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. I may or may not have a video for you guys in between now and Sunday. It's Thursday, right? It's Thursday. So I may or may not have a video for you guys between now and Sunday. I may have an in-between video, just because I'm going to be doing so much stuff. And I kind of want to keep the Chevy build like in its own stream. So if I got something else, I might just film the video and throw it in there, which I do. Like I said, stay tuned to the Instagrams for this. Stay tuned for the videos for the drop of this. And if you guys haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. Take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to go wash my face off.